Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. Today we're just gonna dive into the analytics of the signal. I want to talk about maintaining the order. If you want to hold the order, it's your choice. Right now I would like everyone who wants to just close their order. I mean, you should be in profit based off the entry of the pending. But I noticed something that this might be a potential head and shoulder, might not. This looked like this was the head. This looked like this was a shoulder. That's a shoulder, and if this is a neckline, there was a strong rejection. But this might be a retest. This level of support hasn't been broken, but this level of resistance is from where price is ranging from. Seems to be stuck. This is why I said price was going sideways, and it's continuing to go sideways, because you can see this rectangle. If we just boom, price really hasn't gotten out of here. But when we do some back testing or looking back into history, because like I said, this was where the pending order was triggered. There's still a lot of it was triggered around what price, 63, and price is at 67, so you should have well over 400 pips, or I mean 40 pips, which is good. 40 pips is a nice, good, little push, but to have maximized it, it went up into 74, so there was like over 1,000 pips on that one push, which was really good regardless. Better risk management. I can't really teach you risk management. How much you make out of the trade is really on you. You can close the trades early if you're satisfied with what you get out of the trade. I try to maximize the trades, but if I do see a change or any type of indication that price might be heading towards another direction, I'll close the trade just so I know, okay, boom, I have something in my pocket, something, little hold on to. But because right here we see this very strong point, if price comes and breaks this level, we can see some more downside motion. If we do see some more downside motion, I'm projecting that downside motion to go into that zone which I've created, taking the rectangle in this box, because over here where I call it this relative support, because price came here and every time it's been here thus far and even stopped to buy, it's gone back up. So what do I mean by that? You see this red line on this fib, because I project this to be a upside motion based off that push over here, and then it came into resistance. This is a very strong zone over here of resistance. It hasn't tested that yet, and I believe it will test it in the future, just don't know when. But for now, where price is currently at and what we're following, we had our trendline break. With the trendline break, it came into that support. It hasn't broken this level. This level is really down here, so around 62 cents, 63 cents ish. We have price of crypto, Ripple XRPUSD right there. Also with XRPUSD, where it's at currently, it's showing a lot of downside momentum inside this rectangle. So now that we got that, let's go into our top-down analysis, which I should have started off with first, but it's all good. I just wanted to give y'all an overview. Like, comment, subscribe. This is more, oh yes, you see I have a lot of, these are projections, but this is on a longer time, on a higher time frame. We got to see, all right, boom. So where we're currently at on the monthly, we see bears have some type of control, but this whole area can be tested, you know what I mean, from the bottom of here. So price can come down here, boom, we test this whole, I think this might be a weekly Fibonacci, but as you can see, there was exhaustion here that I found a very high level. I'm gonna put key levels soon, but I'm not gonna really show y'all how to do that. I'm just gonna put them there, and then it's gonna break that down, because there's things like price action doesn't really talk about key levels, but their indication of levels are there. They just justify them differently, but they're almost the same. but I like to find relative key levels, and then I have like my important key levels, but that's for me. That's for my students, things like that. But this is not what I'm here to talk about. We're going to talk about our signals. I do this for free. This is what I do on my downtime. So I give y'all my downtime stuff, you know. Doing price action, which I love. Price action is really pretty sweet because I find setups all the time. Right here, this morning star was completed, which shows like this 1, 2, 3 potential white soldiers, but this white soldiers can be tested only because you can see this exhaustion right here, which means all the sellers were exhausted. They're coming back in for a retest, but we see these EMA squeezing together. That indication of squeezing together, which means there's going to be a big push. Either there's going to be a big push down or there's going to be a big push up. I'm projecting a big push up, but right now, I told y'all earlier, close the trades. I want to find that perfect entry. Once you have that perfect entry, we're potentially gonna, I want to explain the zone, but we got to continue to go down into the daily levels, daily candles. This daily candle closes bearish, and it's under this candle. The bears still have control over the market, even though we had that nice strong triangle. You can even see the triangle. But based off this engulfing, what I wanted to do now that we're getting into a clear understanding of, wow, daily was strong. We need to go down to the 4-hour. Within the 4-hour, because we can see a lot more clarity, it takes out a lot of noise, but it breaks down a lot of the bigger picture. We want to see the bigger picture of the market, which way the market is going. We have this zone right here. I'm going to take this zone out. Delete, boom. I'm gonna take this one out, delete. So I'm gonna start cleaning these up. I just left this for like people who, you know, over time. I'm gonna probably leave these parts open. That's just to show the maximum. No, you know what? I should show the signals for what they were, right? For the value they were, because I'm really not that greedy. I got those, like a lot of these dead on if you're watching the videos over time. So what I realized, there's a lot of indecision, which, you know, shows like there's a lot of key level areas here, but I use relative resistance, which price hasn't tested this yet, which means if price comes test this here, we can see a nice push from here to here. I would like to catch that move if it's possible. If not, it's all good. But the pending order, it hasn't hit the stop loss. If you want to continue and ride it out to the stop loss, that's cool. That's on you. I'm not going to tell you how to trade. I'm just giving out information. If you happen to use the information, that's on you. But what I would like to do is take this right here and put it on top of where that engulfing would slightly be at. Boom, line it up. Oh man, it's not lined up. Let me move this so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. This engulfing on this zone right here. Boom. This candle is what I'm thinking about, where price might come and head for a retest. Why I say that, if we check out this engulfing setup right here, take our Fibonacci, we're looking for that resistance, right here, boom, come here, we're looking for that close and break right here on this candle, boom. So somewhere in here, we can see support to be very essential in this zone. So price might be heading down to here. That's why I say close the trade. You could get a better entry. If you want to just ride it out and see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because price hasn't come down here yet. But if you see price come past this red line, know like boom, that should be a clear indication. If you've been holding the trades, there's fees. That's why I'm saying close now. If you don't want to, that's all good and dandy. That's on you. But maintaining the order on XRPUSD, this is the update. This is a clear update where support has been found. All right, so if this is going to continue to go down, we can look for opportunities to sell. in our top-down analysis, if we see, oh, I'm gonna move myself again. I did that for that zone. We can go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we're gonna see a lot more clarity. This is where we can get the nice engulfings, get where the engulfings had broke. Right here, boom. See that right here? That 0 was broken right here. Came, retested the 0. Now this is where all the selling action comes in. You could have been selling from all of these levels. Boom, sell, sell, sell. Now you want to ride out the sell into those Fibonacci extension after it breaks the 0, which it has done, which means we have an opportunity to sell again. So what I'm gonna do is give y'all a new signal for opportunity to catch some pips. If you do lose, I do apologize. If you do win, you're welcome. That's as simple as my signals are gonna be, because I'm just keeping it 100. You're gonna risk a little bit, boom, and then we're gonna ride this out. Now this is where we take this, take it to an extension, boom, and that's the signal. New signal on XRPUSD, you know. So now that we have that set up, let's go check out CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, we'll talk about the coins, you know, and talk about intangibles. Oh, let's go get some free Satoshis. How about that? And then we're gonna, you know, give y'all a little crypto. Oh, I think CoinPro is gonna be back in a little bit. So once we get that on and popping, I'm gonna log into that and show y'all the update on, you know, this should be in the link for this should be in the I refer and I, you know, share mines. A lot of y'all can sign up, get some free Satoshi. It's a free faucet. Link's gonna be in the description. That's if you want to. You don't have to. I just do this. I'm showing y'all what I got going on. They ain't playing with me today. None left. I'm not sure that's a semi. Oh well. Please try again. Car. Verify. Boom. Free Satoshis. Woo. That's if you want to. You don't want to, it's all good. But that's gonna be in the description. Back to CoinMarketCap. I don't know, I just feel like playing. Like, comment, subscribe. Trading analytics, you know, trading is very boring in itself, so sorry. I might have like dry humor. So everything is looking negative. And because of that, you know, bears are back in control. All the FUD that's scaring everyone off. But while everyone's getting scared off, we're looking for opportunities to buy. You know, if you're already selling, you're in the money. If you're not already selling, just wait. I believe there's a retest on the way. I see triangles. You can always see triangles. Triangles in the market are good indication of, you know, direction, good indicators of momentum, good at, like, let me see if I can do, if we could do some trend lines. We're gonna do some more technicals right quick. Break down this why this sell is the way it is. So we get our trend line, boom. You can even possibly do this. And then boom, we have our triangle. So from our engulfing, we grab our fibs. Boom. And then the engulfing completion was right here. Retest. Boom. That's the signal for that engulfing right there. Boom. That's a baby signal within the signal. So you're going to get a signal that hits TP. This should hit TP. It's so close to TP. Boom. Probably hit TP. You can ride that out. You have those pips. Guaranteed pips right there. Boom. Just, you know, anything past that red level, and just know it's going to keep on going down. If you see a retest, anything that's like boom, 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 you know, candle opens and closes, you're in the money. So like, comment, subscribe. More signals on the way. Wupips, aka WuCrypto. You dig?